Welcome along to Dig or Don't Dig. Somebody metal detecting down there somewhere, and someone over there as well. But you decide, you hear the tones, see the numbers, would you dig it or would you not dig it? We'll see if we can find you some good signals. Stick around, vote, or leave a comment. You'll see a vote sign up there somewhere. Leave a comment just for fun. We'll see you on the beach. $19.20. Well, it's not 1920, it's 2018, but what would you do with that? Would you dig it or would you leave it? Let's put it in 50 tones. Have a listen in 50 tones. Vote or leave a comment. Would you dig it or would you leave it? Sounds a bit tin canny. This one then. 4 inch. See if we can get you near it. $15, $30, $13.01. Ooh. What would you do? Dig or don't dig? Leave us a comment. Found you another one. Where's this one? 25. Would you dig it or would you leave it? There you are. That's why it sounds tin canny. Because it is tin canny. Whoa! Oh, that one. Sparkly, sparkly. Congratulations if you said dig. You've got one earring. There, look. Congratulations, you have won a coin. What is it? Looking at it, it's probably a 3 decimal halfpenny or 2 pence. Not 100% sure. I think it's a ship halfpenny. Ship halfpenny. How do you get on with Dig or Don't Dig? That was fun, some good targets there. But if you're enjoying the Dig or Don't Digs, check out one of these videos up here. If you want to see something completely different, check out these here and join Crawford's on Facebook. I'll put a link in the description. See you next time. Bye.